Hello guys, today I am going to continue our previous video session. So today I am going to discuss about how to extract data from JSON file format. Actually JSON data file exists semi-structured data, so there is some big difference between CSV files. Okay, let's check how to extract this data. This is the sample file I'm going to extract. There is only one record, name is test, mobile is there, and when we going for the pets column, there is two values. It's like an array. One is dog, another one is cat. So let's see how to extract this data. So when we go into address column, that address column includes two another columns. First one is permanent address, the second one is current address. Okay, let's extract data, and we have to select more, then we have to select JSON file format. Okay, then connect. This is the file which we are going to insert. It will pop up another window which is Power Query Editor. So since then we can transform our data before loading to the Power BI data model. It will take some time. This is the sample data which I previously used. This is the it, normally it has one record. So in pets column it display as a list, and address column it also display as another name. So according to this case we have to shown pets column as dog and cat instead of list. So since then we have to do some modification in this transform layer. Okay, let's see this pets column. When we check the upper right corner in pets column, there is another icon. After selecting this icon we can extract this record as values. Okay, so you can see how to extract this record as two records. Expand to the new rows for inside each and every values for that array. Okay, now you can see there is a dog and cat. So here I highlight this part. Now we have two records instead of list value. Now let's consider the address column. Okay, we have to do the same mechanism as we previously did. Okay, let's move to the address column part. Then you can see it's shown as records. So actually there is a address as suffix, so to remove that I have to untick use original column as prefix part, then we can remove that address dot part as a prefix. Okay, after clicking OK, now you can see there is only permanent address and also the sorry permanent address. Sorry, current address. Then I will apply these changes to the model. Okay, these two records loaded to the Power BI data model successfully. Let's see actually if it is there or not. So for the verification, we have to add some sample charts, and we have to drag and drop some two of the columns if it is there or not. Okay, now I'm going to add another chart. Also we can see our recently added sample JSON file in data pane. I have removed one chart and also another chart. So I will add this new chart. Let's see data for the pets. Okay. For x value and also the y values, I use same column. Y value, we used count of pets as y axis, and for x axis we use pets as a category. Okay, now we can see each pet has one quantity likewise. So then we can verify that those data came to the data model, and we successfully loaded JSON file to our Power BI data model.